Antoinette and I'm the HR manager here at Clark Door. So just a quick introduction to the company for those of you that don't know very much about us. Clark Door are a family-owned business that have been based in Carlisle since 1973. So we design, manufacture, service and install special purpose door solutions, so temperature controlled, acoustic, fire, industrial doors that we export to over 45 countries across the world now, which is something that the business is incredibly proud of. 10 years ago, Clark Door did very little exports, and just last year actually we won the Queen's Award for Enterprise for our contribution to international trade, which was a really fantastic achievement that we're really proud of. Something that I personally am really proud of is the apprenticeship programme that Clark Door offers. So each year we onboard a new intake of apprentices, multidiscipline, so electrical or mechanical engineering, that we run in conjunction with a local apprenticeship provider. So if you have a particular interest more in the manufacturing side or the design and drawing side, or be it on site in the installation, I would say we're absolutely committed to supporting young people in the area and to nurturing our apprentices, really to help them get the most out of their apprenticeship, and help them build a career really with the company in an area that particularly interests and excites them.
I was 18 at the time. I just moved across the country from the southeast for a fresh start, and Clark Door had a career opportunity that was too good to miss. It was good and it was varied. That's the only way I can really describe it, because as an apprentice I spent a lot of time in different departments. I started working on the factory floor using the hand tools and machinery. I then progressed into the project office using computer-aided design software to design the products. I spent time with installation and service, installing and maintaining our products across the country, and I even had the opportunity to go to Germany to witness an R&D fire test as part of my apprenticeship.
Well, I'm in my second year now, and I'm definitely still enjoying it. In the factory you get to work in all the departments that's on the floor. So I started in the welding bays and progressed into the more mechanical side of everything, and that was very good.
Well, I think definitely you need to show initiative. I think when you're working with people, they're really keen to see that you can self-manage and not be sort of spoon-fed information all the time. You need to pick up the tools and do the job yourself. I think working within a team is absolutely fundamental for a business like this, and just constantly improving and recognising where you can improve, and people are going to take note of that, and it'll do you the world of good going forward.
If you wanted to hear more about it, you can contact our general inbox, which is mail@clarkdoor.com. Just let us know that you'd like a little bit more information about our apprenticeships, and we can get you some further details about how you could potentially apply.